Hello, Tashina here, your favorite holistic business coach. And today I'm here with another NFT basics topic on choosing your NFT marketplace. Now, please keep in mind, although this is an NFT basics topic, you will absolutely need to have watched our previous videos. We are in week 7 now of topics in 10 weeks that we're discussing on NFT basics. And you're going to already need to understand some basic things like what is an NFT, what is a blockchain, what is cryptocurrency, what is a crypto wallet. So if you don't already thoroughly understand those things, you're going to want to pause this, go back and watch the videos that came previously in this series. The other thing that I want to mention is we're talking money, y'all. NFT Marketplace, transactions. And so please keep in mind 2 things. This is not financial advice. Make sure that you get with someone who can give you correct financial advice. And this space moves fast. I am recording this in the month of March 2022. And so you may find that some of the information by the time you watch this, even next week, is not as robust and complete because the space changes so fast. So when you see, these are just meant to be guidelines. When you see some information here, make sure that you go directly to the website or Google or continue to research before you make your final decision. With that, let's jump into our information. So here are some things to keep in mind when choosing a marketplace. Requirements that you're going to need for your NFT marketplace is a crypto wallet, cryptocurrency on hand to transact, and a user account on that marketplace setup. NFT marketplaces work with different blockchain networks. So note, your blockchain is how you build or create. Cryptocurrency is payment to transact, and your marketplace is where you transact. You may or may not be aware of what the blockchain is because it could be something that's running in the background. And we're going to go over several blockchains before we jump into the portion on your marketplace. So, blockchain choices. Now, please keep in mind this module focuses on blockchains related to NFTs. There are going to be lots of things that will be out of scope for this NFT basics training. And some of those things we may go over in more advanced trainings. But blockchains can be related to decentralized apps and also to cryptocurrency. But we are concentrating on layer 1 blockchains that are related to NFTs specifically in this training. Algorand blockchain. So the Algorand platform supports smart contracts, which are necessary for NFTs. A lot of the users are doing apps, real estate, copyright, and microfinance there. It is eco-friendly and it has a very low gas fee. So your gas fee is the fee on the blockchain to make transactions. So that is simply the name for a specific transaction fee when you are moving whatever is being moved on that blockchain. Again, we're specifically talking about NFTs, but there could be some type of fee related to moving perhaps a decentralized app. When we're talking about eco-friendly, this is something that comes up frequently when it comes to some of our cryptocurrencies that because they use large computer and processors that they're not thought of as eco-friendly, although we know there's so many other things in the world that are also not eco-friendly, like most of us driving certain cars. But there is in the background something that makes these blockchains decentralized. And in the past, a lot of those blockchains, and this is something you can research, again, it's out of scope for the training here, but a lot of these previous blockchains were proof of work, which is what had them using so much and people thinking that they weren't eco-friendly. These blockchains that when we say eco-friendly are using usually proof of stake, which is a different way to verify and ensure that you're decentralized. Again, if you want to know the details of what that means, please Google it. It's out of scope for this training. But just to know that that's what we're referring to when we say that it's eco-friendly. Avalanche Blockchain. Avalanche is an open, programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. And it is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry as measured by time to finality. It is eco-friendly and it has a very low gas fee. Binance Blockchain. Binance Smart Blockchain is a blockchain network built for running smart contract-based applications. Some of the users are in the areas of gaming, virtual land, and art pieces. It's also eco-friendly. It has low gas fee. So when I say very low gas fee, it's almost like negligible. It could be like 0.00 whatever that cryptocurrency is, 0.001 or something. When I say low gas fees, it usually means that it could be like in USD, it'll be $1, maybe $5. And when we say that it's not low, then it could be something like $20. Cardano Blockchain. Cardano is a public blockchain platform. It is open source and decentralized. Some of the users are in the areas of education, healthcare, finance, agriculture. It is eco-friendly and low gas fees. Cosmos Network. Cosmos is a decentralized network of independent parallel blockchains, an ecosystem of blockchains that can scale and interoperate with each other. Some of the users are digital art, gaming, and virtual land. It's eco-friendly and has low gas fees. Ethereum Blockchain. Ethereum is the community-run technology powering the cryptocurrency Ether and thousands of decentralized applications. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. It has high gas fees. It is currently converting to a more eco-friendly format. Flow Blockchain. Flow is a new blockchain built for the next generation of apps, games, and the digital assets that power them. It was originally conceived by the team behind CryptoKitties. Flow today is a decentralized network supported and built on the growing community of brands and Web3 builders. It has a high gas fee and it's eco-friendly. Hedera. Hedera uses Hashgraph and is a distributed ledger technology that has been described as an alternative to blockchains. I've heard someone explain that it's kind of the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. It's like Web 2.5. Again, the details of that is out of the scope of this particular training, but feel free to Google that. Users are innovative startups, global enterprises, and developers. It has low gas fees and it's eco-friendly. Solana Blockchain. Solana is a public blockchain platform with smart contract functionality. Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world. Digital art can be found there, gaming. It has a very low gas fees and it's eco-friendly. Tezos Blockchain. Tezos is a decentralized open source blockchain that can execute peer-to-peer transactions and serve as a platform for deploying smart contracts. Has low gas fees. It was presented to me by more than one person as one of the preferred chains for literary NFTs. Tron Network. Tron is a decentralized open source blockchain-based operating system with smart contract functionality. And it uses what we had mentioned earlier, proof of stake. Tron is a blockchain-based digital platform that primarily hosts entertainment applications. Has very low gas fees. And it's eco-friendly. WAX, or the World Asset Exchange Blockchain. The Worldwide Asset Exchange, WAX, is a purpose-built blockchain and protocol token designed to make e-commerce transactions faster, easier, and safer for everyone. WAX is the world's #1 blockchain as measured by number of users and transactions and has recently ranked #2 in NFT sales. The hub for blockchain for developmental tutorials, quick start guides, API documentation, and more. And Wax is eco-friendly. Now, when making a marketplace choice, so you are going to see, keep in mind, as we already stated before, that some of the blockchains are used for things outside of NFTs, and therefore they're not yet as popular, but they may be ones that you want to consider. And if you're between like 2 or 3, because you see, well, these seem very similar, definitely get on Twitter Spaces, converse with people that are using the blockchain that you want to, and know that if you pick one of the less popular blockchains, that you may need some additional education for the individuals that you're interacting with, because they may need a different crypto wallet, different cryptocurrency, etc. Now moving into your marketplace choices. So a marketplace is an all-in-one platform where non-fungible token creators, sellers, and buyers meet to conduct business. You need to ensure you have the correct wallet and cryptocurrency for the blockchain supported by that marketplace. You need to ensure the format of image, video, audio, etc. you are using is supported by that marketplace. The most popular marketplaces are associated with the Ethereum blockchain. You need to be aware that there could be several gas fees for different parts of the transaction. So here we have a comparison chart. Again, I want to remind everyone that this is being recorded in March of 2022. So most likely, if you see this, you may find that there's a little bit of information missing, or it may have changed. This was developed by lots and lots of Google searches. And again, I don't claim that this list definitely is not exhaustive, because we're only touching on a few of the blockchains without a doubt. And again, the category and dominant genres are not necessarily easily accessible, so it may be a lot broader than what you see. And again, you may find that you look at this a month, 2 months, 6 months after, and something like the supported formats are a lot more than what is listed on this. So again, do not take this as the gospel. Use this as a guide, just a general guide. Look for the differences. Like you see, there's certain blockchains that have more sales styles here. Then maybe if you know you're going to need different types of sales styles, then you go there. There's ones that have more gas fees. There's one that have higher service fees. So just look for those things and make your decision. Again, as you can see here, we have what blockchain it is. OpenSea traditionally is on Ethereum, and you can see that it also does layer 2 Polygon and Caitlin. Again, we're not getting into layer 2 blockchains, but that's just for informational purposes. Polygon, I believe in particular, allows you to spend less gas. So if you see that you don't have an option that you'd like to use on here, then you can always Google those layer 2 options. Rarible, Ethereum Flow, and Tezos. Mintable, Ethereum, and then layer 2, Immutable X. Nifty, Gateway, Ethereum. Foundation, Ethereum. Foundation is also, and we're going to go into details on some of these. SuperRare, Ethereum, Magic Eden, Solana, and SolC Solana. So let's deep dive into a few of these a little bit more. So OpenSea Marketplace is a self-service marketplace. The self-proclaimed largest NFT marketplace, OpenSea is built on the Ethereum blockchain and offers a wide array of NFT products, including art, sports cards, domain names, and NFT projects like Decentraland and CryptoKitties. Creators can create their own items on the blockchain using OpenSea's item minting tool without having to write a single line of code, and OpenSea only takes 2.5% commission from sales on their platform. Rarible Marketplace, which is another self-service marketplace. The website allows artists to create NFTs to sell or keep. The token categories include art, photography, games, metaverse, music, domains, decentralized finance, which is what DeFi stands for. Mintable Marketplace, self-service. Users can trade art, photographs, music, in-game assets, and more. Ethereum-based and payments can only be made using Ether or ETH. There is a 5% royalty facility for NFT creators to earn commissions when the original buyer transfers ownership to another person. Nifty Gateway Marketplace, another self-service marketplace. Nifty Gateway is a digital art online auction platform for non-fungible token art. Buy and sell NFTs directly from your Ethereum wallet in ETH, and you can save up to 75% on gas fees. There is an application required for Nifty Gateway. Foundation Marketplace. Foundation is a platform that aims to build a new creative economy, a world where creators can use the Ethereum blockchain to value their work in entirely new ways and build stronger connections with their supporters. This marketplace is invitation only, and you need an application. SuperRare Marketplace, which is a curated marketplace. SuperRare is a digital art market on Ethereum. It is invitation only. You fill out an application with the requirement that all artwork created on SuperRare must be original, created by you, digital, must not be tokenized on any other marketplace. And you can continue to research different marketplaces. Again, we also in the chart touched on marketplaces related to Solana. We've seen a lot of projects that are now on using the Solana blockchain and some of those other marketplaces such as Magic Eden, Salon Art, and SoulSea. The benefits of those marketplaces is that they have very low, negligible gas fees. Again, we can also deep dive into layer 2 blockchains, which we most likely will do in additional module. That is what I want to share with you all in today's lesson. I'm so grateful for you all watching the recording and or being here, and I will see you in the next one. Have an amazing evening. Bye, guys.